Hi guys, coming at you with another subscription box, and this one is URTHBOX. I hope I'm saying that right. I believe I'm saying that right. And this is a heavy box, and this box is to put healthy items in your life, and so if you do it for 1 month, it is $25. For 3 months, it's $22, and for 6 months, it is $19, and that is free shipping to the continental U.S. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh, inside, some things already fell out, but so I got 2 $10 off cards, and they have the same code, so if you want to try this out, I'll leave that there for just a second, and I'll put the code in the down bar. Also, when you sign up, you can get reward points, and here is the reward points that you get for a Twitter post or Instagram, Tumblr, Facebook, Vine, what's that one? Facebook Friends. Okay, and so this is the March box, and I don't see any paperwork that says all the items in the box, unfortunately, but I like this. Already I'm looking at this and I'm liking it. So these are Snap Crisps, which I love Snap Crisps. They are so delicious, and this is how it looks. I really like them. They're really yummy. The next item is, okay, we have 3 of these, and it's Pure Observe Iron. And it is iron rich natural spring water. Well, let's see. I can taste the iron enriching in it. Not bad. The next item is all natural baked fries and cheddar, and this one's vegetarian. Let's try this. It's not letting me try it. Okay, this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, that is good. I really like those. And those are calorie-free, cholesterol-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, no nuts, no trans fat, no MSG, 50% less fat than a potato chip. So that's awesome. Then the next items are from Unreal, and this is the double one, and I got 3 of those, so let's try that. And I like Unreal. candy, and it has a design on it. No chemicals, no cornstarch, no artificials, no hydrogenates, no preservatives, no GMOs. The next items are single-serve dietary supplement, chia. And I'll have to try that out. It's just chia. It's just grinded chia. And this is raw, vegan, gluten-free, and kosher. Because I didn't know that meant kosher, but I looked it up. It means kosher. Next item is... The box is dropping on me. Next item is French vanilla organic protein shake. I'm not a big vanilla person, but I will try it. Not bad. For someone who doesn't like vanilla, that's pretty tasty. I have to do say. I do have to say. USDA organic, gluten-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, only 6 grams of sugar, low glycemine, made from fresh organic soy milk. So that's yummy. Okay, the next item is honey cookies and cranberry almond. Oh, I thought it's a thick thing too. It's good. And this is organic oat cookie. And it's non-GMO, gluten-free, USDA organic. Not bad. The next item is from another one of my favorite companies, Beanfield. And this is bean and rice chips in pico de gallo. That's how that looks. Yum. Next item is jalapeno turkey smoked snack stick. Oh, this one is vegan, corn-free, or natural, non-GMO. Totally forgot. I was just enjoying it so much. Okay, and this one, let's see. Does this say This says made from turkeys without any antibiotics. This doesn't. All it says is gluten-free on it, so. Ooh, spice. Not bad. And the last item, or the close to the last item, is super water. And this is ultra purified water. So let's try this water. With the iron one, I can really taste the iron. It has like a metally taste to it. And this is a big bottle, it seems. And the last item in the box is Dent. Excuse me. And this is original mint tooth powder. And then daily rinse and floss. So, and it's sugar free, and this has 2 pieces in it. Okay, nice. I want to finish eating these, so I don't want to floss. But yeah. So if you want to check out this box, I really do like this arrangement. I like things that are friendly on the earth and friendly to your body. So check the box out. Alrighty, bye.